Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Steal a Brainrot's Early Bird. Wait, why do I have a Tim Cheese on my second floor? Since when did I have a Tim Cheese up here? I probably indexed it. Okay, nothing up here. So anyways, I'm going to be doing Steal a Brainrot Early Bird. I started this early because sometimes Stanley comes early. So, I don't know what to do while I wait because there's 3-4 minutes left. If you hear that air, that's my computer. If you hear like water kind of like rumbling, that's washer and dry. It's the washer and dry right next to my room. It's really annoying. I'm also gonna be indexing cursed Brainrots because I really want to get that cursed base. I have 29. Let's see, I have Nubini, Liri, Tim Cheese, Flora Flora, Top of the Pharaoh, Savino Bombardino, PB Kiwi, Chippy Choppy, Gangster Frutera, Bandito Bobarito, Bonica Ambalabu, Cacto Hippopotamo, Tata Tata Sahur, Trick Track Badaboom, Cappuccino Assassino, Brut Brut Patapim, Avocadini Interlopini, Chuni Mel Chovicina, Pelocero Remocello, Bri Bri Bicus Dicus Bombicus, Avocadini Gufo. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's kind of goofy because Gufo. Salamino Penguino, Wombo Rolo, and Panicini Vanini, Bombini Guzini. I didn't even know that I had that. I didn't even know I had that either. Oh my gosh, bro. Odin. Oh yeah, I know I had Odin. That was like Taco Tuesday from like 2 weeks ago. Well, no, that can't be 2 weeks ago. You didn't even do it 2 weeks ago. I think it was this most recent one. Oh yeah, I got Tortellini. I got like 4 secret lucky blocks. I don't know why I didn't open that on camera. That was a while ago though. That was like last week. I got Tortellini. I got Pot Hotspot. They give 22.1 mil per second for a Pot Hotspot, and it gives I think 3.1 mil for Tortellini. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing the full cursed event, which is like 15 minutes I think. So I'm gonna be doing that, and early bird should start pretty soon. For now, it's gonna see if I index that Panatini Vonini, because I don't think I did that. I could go to curse and I can see if I actually have it. I have it in cursed, so let's see. No, I do not. Let's index it.
Pandaccini Bananini.
My goal is complete. Oh, we got 1 minute left. Sometimes Santa comes early, so he might come pretty soon. Okay, so. I'm trying to get all cursed Brainrots from the cursed event, even if I already have them in index, just in case. I mean, I might not, but it'll be boring. Yeah, it might be boring because I'm really just waiting for Brainrots to spawn. Even when I'm recording it, just because it's boring. So, yeah. Early bird. All right, let's go. I don't know why I didn't make the noise. Oh wait, okay. Okay, let's go.
Lucky block.
Lucky block. I want cursed on that, Sammy. Is that it? Please tell me that's not it. Oh, so no, can't get cursed unless he does an event. Congrats if you got cursed on. Alright, I think that's it. I'll open that later. The video. Yeah, I think that's it. L early bird. I'm typing in chat. L early bird. And okay.
Lucky block.
Okay, that was a bit boring. I got Flurry Flora, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Alright, now I'm just gonna index some stuff. I'll open this on camera. And if I forget, you can comment bad boy on admin abuse or this video. So yeah. But I have to wait half an hour, so at 2:30. About 2:30, I'll record it up. I'll post it between then and 2:30. I don't know. Between then and 2:40, I'll probably do it as soon as possible. So yeah. And I might forget, so Yeah. There's nothing I can do about that. Besides set a reminder, but I could do that. But after this, I'm gonna go eat some lunch because I didn't eat lunch yet. Because I was recording the Rivals video. Go check that out. Okay. Wait, if I'm unplugged my mic, does it still show that? Oh, it still does show that.
O din 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 dun. Lionel Cactuseli. O din 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 dun. Svinina Bombardino. Nubini Pizzanini.